Today I am discussing about a modular desk from steel and cypress wood. As you can see in this video, the story behind the desk, because it's my first instructable, I would like to give a brief explanation of who I am as a self-proclaimed maker. I grew up working on whatever projects either my grandparents or dad could dream up. One grandfather, Gramps, is retired, although his tools are old yet immaculate. It may take a day to do a project with him, but when you are done with the food and good. After that, about my sport team, it should be no surprise that when I decided that I wanted to learn how to weld the spring of freshman year of college, they were on board, while I was itching to try out what the equivalence of a few hours of how to videos on YouTube could do for me. Dude was reaching out to the consideration of old men or his friends and neighbors. The project actually began as a bike frame that I imagined riding according to the campus. Around the campus, I would possibly beat a few races I had never trained for. You know how it goes. However, a little bit of feasibility calculations proved that building a bike wouldn't be very economical. Step 1, the design. As you can see in this video, I should make a preliminary disclaimer that I don't talk too much about dimensions in this instructable. I apologize, but my design went through so many minor changes that almost all of the measurements changed. I didn't keep about them at all. Maybe in future instructables I'll be better at writing detailed dimensions, but for right now, the best I can do is accuracy. The design had to be simple in concept because I wanted to finish it over the summer, and I honestly really didn't know what I was doing. I know that I wanted a desk that could be pushed into a table when a few people were over to study and could be used for a single use as well. I began to make a base model of SolidWorks so that I could update the design earlier and easier on technology. I started and the main desk and built from there. Step 2, materials. As you can see in this video, the steel supplier I used only solid and sold in steel the 20 sections, so I spent time making a cut list to ensure that I would use the steel as efficiently as possible. With the being said, I still spent $160 on all of the steel. Step 3, tools. As you can see in this video, I am going to start by saying that I am by no means an expert in safety equipment. However, I wore whatever I could find be safe, tried to abide by the warnings and tools themselves. Step 4, cutting the metal, where the fun starts. As you can see in this video, I grabbed my cut list and started cutting. Around this point, I took this welding class and realized that the tolerance of my cuts had to include the gap distance of welding. With this in mind, I ground the ends up and little less. They didn't have prefects and meters. As you can see in this video, step 5, welding the chair and table. Step 6, the wood back to bases. As you can see in this video.